Here I have a Medeco M3 6-pin cylinder. This one is a padlock cylinder. Looks like a large format IC core, but it's actually specifically made for a special padlock. There's the key bitting on it. Key does work. We'll pick it counterclockwise. You can see that okay. You just get all the pins set rotationally. Then when you think you've got them set, push it on the slider. If the slider locks into place and you get a little bit of a turn, you know you've got them set properly. And then you just have to go through and pick it to the shear line. Big turn right there. Getting awful close now. Dealing with a mushroom pin, I think. There it is, picked. That's only the second time I've picked this one. I picked it earlier this evening, and that was the second time. So we'll go ahead and gut this one real quick. Take the clip off the back. Ouch. Watch out for the sidebar and the slider when you're taking this apart. It'll all go flying. Here's the sidebar in place. all 6 pins. There's the slider down below. Go ahead and dump the pins and check them out. And there you can see the slider in place. Right there. And then we'll check the top pins too. We got it. So there's the pins. All the pins, it looks like, have the grooves that go all the way through, so you could use the Medeco on them. Got 2 mushroom pins, position 3 and 4. There's the sidebar and the sidebar springs. There's the plug, the hardened disc up front for drill protection. And where'd the key go? There's the key again. We've got a right, center, center, right, center, center, left, left, right, as far as the rotation goes. So that's it. Medeco M3 picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.